Difference between Waterfall and Agile project management. Introduction. In the world of project management, there are different methodologies that organizations can choose from to execute their projects. Two popular methodologies are Waterfall and Agile project management. Each methodology has its unique approach to managing projects, with distinct differences in project phases and the tools and techniques used. In this article, we will explore the differences between Waterfall and Agile project management. If you have not subscribed the YouTube channel TechoProbe, please subscribe it for future notifications. Waterfall project management. Project phases. Waterfall project management follows a linear and sequential approach, where each phase of the project is completed before moving on to the next. The typical phases in Waterfall project management are 1. Requirements gathering. In this phase, the project team gathers all the requirements from the stakeholders and defines the scope of the project. 2. Design. Once the requirements are gathered, the project team creates a detailed design plan for the project, including architecture, user interface, and system specifications. 3. Development. In this phase, the project team starts developing the project based on the design plan. The development phase involves writing code, creating databases, and integrating different components. 4. Testing. After the development phase, the project moves into the testing phase, where the project team tests the functionality and performance of the system. This phase ensures that the project meets the defined requirements. 5. Deployment. Once the testing is complete and the project is deemed ready, it is deployed to the production environment. 6. Maintenance. After the deployment, the project enters the maintenance phase, where any issues or bugs are addressed and updates or enhancements are made as required. Tools and techniques. Waterfall project management relies on several tools and techniques to ensure the successful execution of the project. Some commonly used tools and techniques in Waterfall project management include 1. Gantt charts. Gantt charts are used to visualize the project schedule, showing the start and end dates of each phase and task. 2. Project documentation. Waterfall projects heavily rely on documentation, including requirements documents, design documents, and test plans. 3. Change control process. In Waterfall project management, any changes to the project scope or requirements go through a formal change control process to ensure proper evaluation and approval. 4. Milestones. Waterfall projects often have milestones, specific points in the project timeline that mark the completion of a significant phase or deliverable. Agile project management. Project phases. Agile project management, on the other hand, follows an iterative and incremental approach where the project is divided into smaller iterations or sprints. The typical phases in Agile project management are 1. Project planning. In this phase, the project team identifies the project goals, defines the scope, and creates a prioritized list of features or requirements. 2. Sprint planning. Each iteration in Agile project management is called a sprint. In the sprint planning phase, the team selects a set of features to be developed and defines the tasks required to complete them. 3. Development. The development phase in Agile project management focuses on delivering working software or product increments at the end of each sprint. The development tasks are divided into smaller user stories or tasks. 4. Testing. Unlike Waterfall, testing in Agile project management is an ongoing process. The project team continuously tests the software or product increments throughout the development phase. 5. Review and retrospective. At the end of each sprint, the project team holds a review meeting to demonstrate the completed work to stakeholders and gather feedback. They also conduct a retrospective to reflect on the sprint and identify areas for improvement. Tools and techniques. Agile project management relies on different tools and techniques compared to waterfall project management. Some commonly used tools and techniques in Agile project management include 1. Kanban boards. Kanban boards are used to visualize the progress of tasks and user stories, allowing the project team to track the work in progress and identify bottlenecks. 2. User stories. User stories are used to capture the requirements from the user's perspective. They are short, simple statements that describe a specific functionality or feature. 3. Daily stand-up meetings. Agile projects often have daily stand-up meetings where the project team members provide updates on their progress, discuss any obstacles, and plan their tasks for the day. 4. Burn-down charts. Burn-down charts are used to track the progress of work in each sprint. They show the remaining work over time and help the team monitor their velocity. Conclusion. In summary, Waterfall and Agile project management are two distinct methodologies with different approaches to managing projects. Waterfall follows a linear and sequential approach, while Agile follows an iterative and incremental approach. The project phases and tools and techniques used in each methodology also differ. Understanding the differences between these two methodologies can help organizations choose the most suitable approach for their projects, depending on the project requirements, complexity, and flexibility needed. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon for future notification.